down below for us to do this with McFlurries, because McFlurries are good, but I still hope I get glue. Okay, so you guys already know how this challenge works. We have to try to not choose the wrong one. And the wrong one is McFlurries, and the right one is glue. So, rock, paper, scissors to see who picks first.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yay!
Oh,
I get to go first.
Okay, so round one.
Hey guys, so I get to pick first, and this is so exciting because I love McFlurries. Guys, I always wondered what this little square thing was at the top of the spoon, but then I found out that they actually use it for the machine to like mix the Oreo in your McFlurry.
Oh, so they hook the machine to right here?
Yeah, and then go. The spoon stirs up your McFlurry. Since I touched it, I think it's ice cream.
Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, please be glue.
It's super cold.
And it's glue! Yay!
Mine's ice cream, but still delicious.
Guys, it's so hard to tell because even though it's glue, it still has Oreos on top of it. So these are extremely hard to tell the difference because even the glue has cookies. Okay, so round two. Pick.
I got so much cookie on mine. Okay, I think I'm going to pick this one.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna pick this.
Ooh, I got glue. Yes.
Oh, this one's cold. I think it's ice cream.
I got glue. Ooh, it's really pretty too.
Ah, it's ice cream. That was a lot of Oreos.
Comment down below if you ever had McFlurry.
Okay, so round three.
Pick this one.
I pick this one.
Oh no, the spoon stuck.
I think this one's glue.
Which means it's
Glue!
ice cream. But,
Yay, I got glue.
that was a lot. Came out in a big chunk.
Okay, so round four. Pick.
I picked this one.
Okay, so I picked this one.
Ooh, I think this one's glue.
Okay, I think this one is glue.
Pretty, mine is yellow like the sun.
Wow, look how pretty my pink is.
You guys, we're lucky when we get glue, but we're kind of not because we still get Oreos. So,
But there's not that much.
yeah. Okay, I pick this one. Oh
Okay.
no.
It's round five. Okay,
It's
so I pick
frozen.
this one.
Oh,
Glue!
why does it make a mess? Oh man, this is my third ice cream. Look how much Oreo is on that. You guys, when I was a little kid, I used to think this was like a straw in the food, like
A food? A food?
a straw in a spoon.
Okay.
I always try to use it, but it never worked. I'm getting really unlucky.
Okay. Round six. Pick.
I have so much Oreos.
Pick.
Okay. I pick this one.
No, I was gonna pick that one. Oh wait, yes. Okay. So I
think
pick this one.
I'm just gonna.
Please, please.
It's ice cream.
Oh, this is cold.
On the bright side, I get to eat ice cream. Okay. Learn my lesson.
This is my special ice cream, guys.
Oh yeah, second? Look at my fourth or fifth. I'm losing the challenge.
And my luck is...
But I'm kind of not because I have ice cream.
Okay. Round seven. Is it round seven?
I think.
Okay, pick.
I pick this one.
I pick this one. Oh
Ooh,
no,
glue.
ice cream.
Whoa, that's like metallic.
Look at all that. Oh, they fell off and there's still some.
Your luck is turning bad, Mary.
I know.
There's a fruit fly. You
Okay.
scared me. Okay, I pick this one.
Ha, I picked this one. Glue! Yay!
I got ice cream.
I got glue.
On the bright side. Again.
Wow, Izzy, you're really losing this challenge. You're not getting good luck at all.
I'm kind of not, because I'm gonna.
Look at all that!
But
And you barely have glue.
I'm getting ice cream, so.
Okay, so
Not good.
we're down to the last 3, and I pick these 2.
No fair.
Okay, you ready? Okay, ready? Ready.
Ready?
Okay, ready? Set. And glue! Yay!
Oh, glue!
Oh, yay! Did you say, oh, man? Are you okay?
I said I think I got glue.
Okay, and no.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Ice cream. Okay, guys, so let's mix it up. It's gonna be hard to mix it up with all this ice cream, but we're using the McFlurry spoons because these are stronger than forks.
Oh, it's actually mixing in.
And plus, don't they use this spoon to mix the ice cream?
It actually mixes really good.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like in clumps.
I think it's the spoon.
No.
Oh wait, guys, comment down below what color you think it's gonna turn.
Green.
I'm gonna just say blue because I already know it's gonna turn pink.
Then why don't you guess pink?
Because that's cheating. How?
If you know, why don't you just say it? You guys, these slimes are gonna smell so good because they're gonna smell like Oreo McFlurries. But it's gonna be super cold.
Yeah. I'm all mixed up, and mine is unicorn because you can see like green, purple, pink, blue, and this is just green. So let's activate it.
Hopefully it works. You scared me.
Okay, let's mix it up.
I think it's actually working. It's starting to smell like Tide and
It's
ice
actually
cream
working,
mixed
guys.
together. It doesn't smell good.
Look, it's activating quick.
Sorry guys, I'm still a little sick. Should I go in with my hands?
Yeah.
First, give me some activator before you really it. Okay.
Oh, you want some?
No!
Okay.
Okay. It's not that cold, but it's still a little bit cold.
It's a little bit cold, but not that cold.
Didn't I just say that?
Look, guys, it's activating so quick. Mine's in a big slime clump already.
You guys,
Wow.
comment down below how old
Hi,
you
Bucket.
are. I'm 10.
I'm
Oh,
12.
wow. She's about to be 13 on Saturday, so I may have gotten her a surprise.
You shouldn't say it right next to me. Mine's actually really cold now. It's getting colder
Yeah.
as I mix it. Okay, guys, so we got slime all mixed together, and this was like the easiest food slime to mix, like just like the soda and the food one. That's kind of weird though. Is McDonald's food like glue? Or does the McFlurry have like glue in it? It must be chemicals because it went right together, like it made slime.
Then why does McDonald's even exist?
Whoa. French
Time for the best part, I guess.
Yeah.
Look at mine, guys. It's like so gooey and perfect. Makes awesome bubbles too. Instant butt cheeks.
Can you guys believe this is ice cream?
When I stretch it up, you can see all the cookie flakes.
Mine kind of looks like the color of Oreo mixed up really well.
I have my mouth open and she literally the slime blinked in my mouth.
And look, you got slime on my shirt.
Oh, that's
make the bigger bubbles. I won that one. Okay.
I didn't even see yours. So.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
Oh, I definitely won. That was so satisfying to watch it fly down. I love this slime. I'm going to make slime with McFlurries again.
Yeah, it turned out perfect. Comment down below what McDonald's food we should use next. Maybe their smoothies?
I love their smoothies, their mango smoothies.
Or should we use all their different drinks, like their...
Not
just soda, but all their like different drinks.
Yeah.
Like coffee, milk, Gatorade, tea.
Isn't that a Powerade? Because they can't be copyright.
Powerade is a real brand, not just McDonald's uses it.
Really?
Go back to school.
Want to mix them, Mary? Because I haven't mixed their slimes in a while.
Yeah.
Mine makes awesome bubbles though.
Okay, roll your top.
Never mind. Mine makes awesome bubbles. Mine is like the perfect green.
Maybe we should save this for a mixing slime video. Oh wait, my mold. It's gonna mold, huh? Oh man.
Mine makes awesome bubbles.
Mine too. Oh. Okay, ready? I'm gonna drizzle it into your giant bubble.
Whoa, that was actually super satisfying. Yeah. Now we can make even bigger bubbles because we mixed them. Put together, Mary.
Okay, wait. Okay, let's make the biggest bubble we can.
Whoa, that bubble, it looks so smooth. Whoa! Did you get that on camera?
Yeah. I hope. Whoa.
Whoa.
Well, bye guys! Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye! And don't forget to comment down below more ideas for the next episode. Don't choose the wrong one. It's up to you guys. Bye! Or comment down below some popular video suggestions. And the most popular one, we'll do.
Yeah?